Playing all your PC games and retro emulators on your phone, tablet, TV, or gaming handheld sounds like a dream, but how does one learn this power? So Sunshine streams the game to Moonlight, which basically means you can play your PC on any device that has the Moonlight client application available for it. Well, today I'm upgrading the boot drive in my main gaming rig, which makes this the perfect opportunity to show my process of setting up a gaming PC from scratch so it's ready to stream with Sunshine and Moonlight. Reinstalling your boot drive also means reinstalling your operating system, and reinstalling your operating system also means reinstalling all of your applications, games, and system preferences. So buckle up and we'll get this PC ready to stream all my games and emulators again in no time. As always, any questions, just drop them in the comments below. The order here isn't super formal, but I kind of start with game libraries first and then install some games, then install my game organizer, and then install the game streaming software. So first up is Steam, if only because it's the game library that I use the most. Past that, I'll make sure the Xbox app is installed and logged in, which might already be done for you if you logged in with your Microsoft account during your Windows setup. And up next, I'll just install any other game stores I might have, like the Epic Game Store, for example. And once those game stores are installed, I'll usually install at least one game from each of them just so that they can be picked up by my game organizer, which I'll be installing next. So next up is Launchbox. We're going to head to their website and download Launchbox. This video is not sponsored, but I'll always give Launchbox Premium a shout out because it comes with BigBox. BigBox is the controller first interface from Launchbox, and even though it costs money over the free version of Launchbox, Launchbox Premium is by far the best software I've used for this for features like BigBox and pause screens. Once you've got Launchbox installed, all you need to do is import your game libraries, and as you can see, it's automatically pulled my Steam games. Under Tools, Import, you'll find importers for Amazon games, EA, Epic, GOG, Steam, Ubisoft, Windows, Xbox, pretty much all the big ones. And for retro games with emulators, I like to let Launchbox install as many of the emulators automatically as it can, and for any that it can't, I'll go to their websites and download and install them manually myself. But basically, if there's an automatic option for it in Launchbox, that's what I'm going to use. You can use the same import wizard to import your retro ROMs as games for Launchbox to launch with their respective systems emulators. Launchbox makes this very easy, and in just a few clicks, your retro games are ready. Once your game organizer is configured the way you like it with all your PC games and retro emulators, then we're ready to install our game streaming software, which is Sunshine. Once we get to the Sunshine GitHub, we're going to want to install the Sunshine Windows Installer EXE. Once Sunshine is done installing, it will live in the hidden task tray icons. All you need to do to open Sunshine is right-click and click Open Sunshine. You'll get this message that your connection isn't private, but you can skip past just by hitting Advanced and continue to go close. Sunshine is a replacement for the deprecated NVIDIA Game Stream protocol, and it pairs perfectly with the Moonlight client application, which is available for numerous devices like iPhone, Android, Windows, Xbox, PS Vita, like a bunch of crazy stuff. So Sunshine streams the game to Moonlight, which basically means you can play your PC on any device that has the Moonlight client application available for it. So the first thing we have to do is make a username and password. This Sunshine webpage is where we can add Moonlight clients with the Pin tab. We can change our games and applications with the Applications tab, and we can change our settings with the Configurations tab. By default, Sunshine has two applications available already, and that's Desktop, which is basically no application, and Steam Big Picture, which is Steam's controller-friendly interface. But what we really want is to add Launchbox, so all you have to do is click Add New, set the application name as BigBox, and add the command. All the command is just the file path of where the EXE is located on your computer. So all I'm going to do is open File Explorer, find my Launchbox folder, and find the BigBox EXE. I'm going to copy this file path, paste it into the command field, add a backslash, and just type in bigbox.exe. And then scroll down and hit save. So now we've got Desktop, Steam Big Picture, and BigBox. And for my first client, of course, I'm going to add my iPhone. All I have to do once my Moonlight app is installed is open it up, and I can see that my network has already been automatically scanned for my gaming PC host. So next, I'll just tap on it, and I'll see this pin that I can use to add it into Sunshine. Memorize this pin real quick and punch it in here. Once I hit enter, it's going to say paired successful. Now I'll see the apps that are available in my Sunshine, which are of course BigBox, Desktop, and Steam Big Picture. And if I launch Desktop, all I have to do is wait a second here. And now I'm looking at my gaming PC. So if I don't want to scroll around my desktop to launch my games, all I have to do is launch BigBox. And I can use the controls on my phone screen or any controller that I might have attached to it to scroll through my games and select whatever I want to play. All you have to do to get all your devices connected is to just repeat that process with any of the Moonlight clients that you might want to use. And that's how I set up a gaming PC from scratch to game stream to any device that I want, so I can enjoy my PC games and retro emulators anywhere I am.